Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix screen does not turn on during the call on iPhone in iOS 16. Let's see the video. So friends, make sure that proximity sensor is working on your device. So friends, there is a sensor on the top of the iPhone which works automatically when we call someone, and this sensor turns off your screen as soon as you put the phone to your ear. So check this sensor whether it works or not, and you can check it like this. Method 2 is switch or rise to wake. For that, open the settings menu on your device. On the settings menu, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Here, scroll down again and switch on rise to wake. Make sure that rise to wake is enabled in your device. Method 3 is switch off prevent lock to end call. For this, open the settings menu on your iOS device. On the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now tap on touch under the physical and mothers. Here scroll down again and switch off prevent lock to end call. So friends, the last and easiest method is to remove the screen protector from your iPhone screen. Because sometimes it happens that the proximity sensor of the phone stops working due to the screen protector. This is why your iPhone display does not turn on during a call.